morning, student. Today we are see the next subtopic, that is five kingdom classification. The five kingdom of classification in 1937, each author suggested the terms prokaryotic prokaryotic to describe bacteria and eukaryotic to describe animal and plant cells. But in 1967, Robert Whittaker replaced these two old kingdoms classification by a five kingdom of classification. He used three main criteria for the classification. On the basis of five kingdom of classification, he used the levels of cellular organization. Cellular organization means it may be prokaryotic or unicellular eukaryotic and multicellular eukaryotic. And next one, on the modes of their nutrition, it may be autotrophic or heterotrophic. On the basis of these three, first one is the complexity of cell structures. It may be prokaryotic or eukaryotic. Second, complexity of the organism body, means it may be unicellular or multicellular. And third one, that is the mode of obtaining nutrition, it may be autotrophic or heterotrophic. On these three criteria, Whittaker 1969 replaced the old two kingdoms and describes the five kingdom of classification. The five kingdom of classification, according to him, living organisms are classified into five kingdoms. The first one, that is the kingdom Monera. Monera is the first kingdom. Second one is the kingdom Protista. Third one is the kingdom Fungi. Fourth one is the Plantae. And last one is the kingdom Animalia. These five kingdoms are most important. In 1988, Margulis and Sweets modified the five kingdom classification of Whittaker. They considered genetics along with the cellular organization and mode of nutrition in classification. First, we will see the kingdom Monera. It includes all prokaryotic organisms. This is the kingdom first one, Monera, and their characteristics. It includes prokaryotic organisms in which the nucleus is not distinct. For example, bacteria, actinomyces, and cyanobacteria. The cyanobacteria are photosynthetic bacteria. However, they were called blue-green algae. The term applied to the algae on the basis of their photosynthetic activity. Later, their structural relationship to bacteria were discovered with the help of electron microscope, and now they are referred as blue-green bacteria. The prokaryotic organisms are small, microscopic, motile or non-motile, and autotrophic or heterotrophic. Their cell wall is rigid and composed at Mucopeptides. The cytoplasm lacks endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, lysosomes, and mitochondria. Nuclear material is without nuclear membrane. Some prokaryotes are able to survive in extreme environment like high salt concentration, high temperatures, and acidic alkaline pH. They can also survive in anaerobic condition. These forms are grouped into true bacteria, that is eubacteria, and the ancient bacteria, that is called archaebacteria. This is the characteristics of the kingdom Monera. This is the example of kingdom Monera. There are two subkingdoms of Monera. First one is the Archaebacteria, can live in the most extreme of environments, and Eubacteria, it is also called the true bacteria. These bacteria live in very hot acid habitats of 60 to 80 temperature and pH 2 to 4, like photo of a hot springs below. The red stain on the rocks are the prokaryotic cells. Eubacteria are more modern bacteria, inhabit nearly every known habitat, consumes, producers, and decomposers. Some cause diseases, but most are harmless. The second kingdom, that is called the kingdom Protista. It includes mostly unicellular and primarily aquatic eukaryotes. It includes eukaryotic, unicellular, and simple multicellular organisms. Their cell contains true nucleus and membrane bound cell organelles like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, and the Golgi bodies. They show flagella or cilia as a locomotory organ. They give diverse forms including autotrophs, and even some members shows parasitic mode of living. The reproduction in the member of this kingdom is through a sexual division of haploid individuals as well as by sexual process on the basis of mode of nutrition. The protista are grouped as photosynthetic algae decomposer and predator protista. Thank you.